everybody. Hey, welcome back to today's video. My name's Marybeth Angelelli, and how would you like to learn how you can create a passive income for yourself without having to work all day? Well, I want to share with you 3 top tips for you so that you can learn how you can build an automated business that has the potential to generate 100% profit for you online. So if you are ready, at the top of the list, tip number 1 is you want to be able to automate the sales process. This is exactly what I use every single day to automate my sales process. It is called my Freedom Machine, and it does an amazing job for me. What I do is I focus on content creation, and I focus on my CTA, my call to action, at the conclusion of my content. And this, my friends, is what redirects my perfect customer back to my funnel, okay, where I automate the sales process. This is my Freedom Funnel. So it's very automated, it is fully functional, and it's out there working for me 24/7, doing all of my telling, all of my selling, and all of my explaining. So I don't have to, and you won't have to either. This essentially makes this business opportunity a rejection-free business. It's a breath of fresh air because I never have to stress. I never have to be out there stressing about hearing the word no. This does a spectacular job. So all I do is focus on my high impact daily tasks, my income producing activities for 2 hours a day collecting emails. So all I do is I have the process working for me. I'm automating the sales process through this funnel. Somebody goes here, they want to get the information to discover how they can start an online business with a proven blueprint. They willingly enter their email address here, and they click here, yes, to get my blueprint now. And simply they are redirected, just like you will be once you enter your email address, to my thank you page. Explainer video number 1 awaits. This is out there. This video does my telling, selling, and explaining. It's the start of the automations kicking in, okay? So I can have somebody coming through my funnel at 2 in the morning, 4 a.m. in the morning, 5 a.m. in the morning while I'm sleeping, and they can still get the information, and when they're ready, they can go ahead and purchase. So here's the video number 1, and then here is the second part. Yes, I am ready to have a successful online business. By clicking here, you will be able to watch explainer video number 2 that continues onward and upward with the automation process, automating the sales process. Okay, so you want to watch this from beginning to end. Do not take any shortcuts if you'd like to learn more. And then to get started, here is the magic button. Click here to get started. This ultimately will take you to my product page, where there's 4 done-for-you digital products available to purchase. And you just simply get started with the one that is in best alignment with your goals right now. And yes, you can always upgrade at any time. So you review the information, continue downward, and then you select the package of your choice when you are ready to purchase. And that is how the automation process works. Automating the sales process. You want to have an automated system. Not to mention, when you willingly enter your email address into my capture page, you are going to be added to my email list. And that's where my email automations kick in. And those further automate the process by building know, like, and trust. They contain great valuable information. They also have results so that you can see that this does absolutely work. And it also is going to contain clickable links to this very page here so that somebody, including you, can get started when you are ready. So that, my friends, is tip number 1, automate the sales process. I just showed you a demo of what I use to automate my sales process daily. Now, number 2, you want to be focusing on digital programs. That's exactly what this one is. This way, you don't have to be worried about restocking, stockpiling inventory in your garage or your basement that you're probably never going to use anyways. This is going to help you. This is going to give you instant access immediately, okay, to your digital products, to your training, and it's going to set you up to be paid directly. 100% of the profits will go to you. Instant pay, direct pay, 100%. That was tip number 2, okay? Focus on digital programs. Leads me to the final tip. Tip number 3, streamline your workday. So you're dedicating just 2 hours a day. You want to focus on your high impact tasks. That's exactly what you're going to learn how to do in the step-by-step training. We're going to take you through the tested and proven step-by-step process, giving you access to the blueprint that's going to show you and map everything out step by step, including the marketing strategies that you're going to be following step by step to do your income producing activities. And then you're going to let your automations kick in and do the rest. Do what they do best, folks. So this essentially are the 3 tips. Automate the sales process. I shared with you exactly how you do that and what you use. Focus on digital programs. That's exactly what this one is. And you're going to dedicate just 2 hours a day focusing on your high impact tasks, which essentially consist of this. Okay, this is a typical day. 30 minutes doing simple copy paste post ads for profit to high traffic websites. Spend the next 1 hour creating 3 pieces of content. I primarily focus on creating my content using my primary, which is YouTube, and my secondary, which is TikTok. And it is not difficult. There is no tech involved. We do not have to even use any paid marketing. Essentially, we're using all free methods. Okay, so content creation, 1 hour, 3 pieces of content, and you have the option to also go live in that 1 hour. Your final 30 minutes is going to be spent responding to CTA's call to actions. If somebody responds and wants information, puts a comment in your YouTube video, or if they put a comment in your TikTok, all you do is simply respond back and provide them with the link to your website. It is really simple. Should somebody email you, all you have to do is just respond back with a simple, short, sweet email with the link to your website. It is not very difficult, my friends. So that essentially is how to build an automated system that can be out there generating 100% profit for you without you having to work all day long. We focus on getting everything done in 2 hours a day, so we're no longer out there trading time for dollars. This helps us to work efficiently, and it helps us to work smarter and not harder, so we're able to be out there doing what we love to do, doing the things that mean the most to us. Creating memories, creating those awesome memories around our family, making long-lasting memories with our significant others, with our children, with our grandchildren. And that's something, folks, if you are working job, you're working 8 hours a day, plus overtime, holidays, all of that. If you want to learn how you can get your life back, how you can get your time back, I encourage you now to head over to createsuccesswithmarybeth.com. So once you get there, createsuccesswithmarybeth.com, here is exactly what you are going to be doing. You're just going to simply enter your email address in here, click yes, get my blueprint now, and watch explainer video number 1. That is step 1 in my automated sales funnel. It's going to explain everything and break everything down for you so that you can learn how you can discover how you can get started with your very own automated online business, complete by following a simple step-by-step blueprint, so you have the potential to start getting paid 100% in profits on a daily basis potentially. Okay, it's a wonderful system, folks. It's a wonderful process. There's nothing quite like it. The training is absolutely positively amazing, and you're going to love automations, folks. Automations is where it's at. You're going to learn the high income skills, folks, that you're going to be able to go out there and truly start to live life on your own terms. Content creation, building your brand, attraction marketing, building your email list, folks. You're going to learn all of those high impact, high income skills and so much more that you can take with you and turn a profit in this very opportunity and use for the greater good to help you to build multiple streams of income in the future, if that is what you desire to do, folks, because these are transferable skills that nobody can ever take away from you. It doesn't require any tech. It doesn't require any fancy degrees. None of that, folks. It is very beginner friendly. You're going to finally be able to learn digital marketing for beginners so that you can achieve the best results and start having success online with your very own business, where you're going to be able to be in business for yourself, not by yourself, because you're also going to not only have access to your 4 done-for-you digital products if you invest at the top, but you're going to have access to an amazing community that now spans over 40,000 members worldwide. And that is what differentiates this opportunity from so many other opportunities online. It is the community. It is the sense of community. It is the interactive community, the supportive community, and the live, interactive, ongoing training and mentorship throughout the week, folks. With that being said, you know what to do next. Head on over to createsuccesswithmarybeth.com, enter your email, come on in and watch those videos. Learn exactly how you can get started with your own automated online business. And if you have any questions, text or call me. My contact details are always listed in the description, folks. If you're serious, I welcome all serious inquiries. With that being said, I'd love nothing more than to see you inside of our amazing opportunity this week, folks. Let's get you started today, because the sooner you get started, the sooner your life can change. Thank you so much. See you at the top. See you on the inside. Bye for now.